Well, here with Michelle and Ken, we're announcing that the Rookwood Weir is going ahead. This is a phenomenal project. It's going to create thousands of jobs and billions of dollars in agricultural production. Stronger agriculture, stronger regions, a stronger future for our children and grandchildren here in Rockhampton and in Gladstone, right across the Fitzroy.
Well, thank you very much, Prime Minister. We're very, very excited about this today. Ken and I have been working extremely hard for this project for a number of years, and this will give us water security for the area. This will give us over $1 billion in agriculture and over 2,000 jobs, so it's very exciting news.
Yes, it's really been a long time coming, but finally it's here. It's the amount of water we capture, and that's what we need. We go from floods to droughts, but this is going to alleviate all that, and it's a great thing for agriculture and business.
Okay, so and between the two of you, you've captured $176 million each from the Commonwealth Government and from the state government to make sure the Rookwood Weir happens.
Yes. It's not petty cash.
That's true. 2,000 jobs will come out of this project. This is going to deliver 42,000 megalitres of water for agriculture, 34,000 megalitres of water for industry and for cities. This is a game changer, and it's been argued for and campaigned for by Ken and Michelle and so many other people committed to Central Queensland.